But our society is plagued by what I'll call chemophobia. Fear of chemicals, fear of pesticides. It's in the headlines all the time. Pesticides are poison, no doubt about it. Agricultural pesticides in high doses can cause cancer, skin, nervous system, other damage. But the dose makes the poison. The Swiss physician Paracelsus said all substances are poison. There is none which is not a poison. The right dose makes the difference between a poison and a remedy. Sunlight is poisonous in high levels. Water is also toxic in high levels. The great news is our foods are very free of synthetic pesticides. Every year the U.S. Department of Agriculture samples more than 10,000 different foods. This is an example from 2014. They found 99.6% were below safety limits. And the safety limits are set very low, 100 times below a no adverse effect level in lab animal tests. Another thing too, people have this concern about synthetic pesticides and have no knowledge about natural pesticides. And if you look at what comes into our diet every day, we have all these natural pesticides: aflatoxin, pyrethrum, nicotine, strychnine. Anybody have caffeine today? You all realize that caffeine is an insecticide, don't you? But the fact is that 1 cup of coffee, you get as much natural pesticide as an entire year of eating food. That's the amount of synthetic pesticide. So basically, 10,000, only 1 part in 10,000 in our diet of the pesticides we consume is synthetic. Some plants are as high as 10% of their weight is a pesticide. So the message here is don't sweat the coffee, but let's be realistic about synthetic pesticides.